Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn mature content on or off in Behance. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and hover your mouse over it. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account and preferences. It's the main hub for accessing your personal settings and account management features. From the drop-down menu that appears, you'll want to click on Settings. This option takes you to your account configuration page where you can customize various aspects of how Behance works for you. The settings area is where Behance stores all your personalization options, privacy controls, and content preferences. Once you're on the settings page, you'll need to locate the option that says block mature content in the Behance gallery. This setting specifically controls whether or not you'll see mature or sensitive content while browsing through projects and artwork on the platform. It's an important feature that helps you tailor your Behance experience to match your comfort level and viewing preferences. Right before this text, you'll notice a checkbox. This is where you actually control the mature content filter. If you want to block mature content from appearing in your gallery and search results, simply click on this checkbox to enable it. The checkmark will appear, indicating that mature content is now filtered out. On the other hand, if you want to see all content including mature posts, you can uncheck this box by clicking on it again. When the checkbox is empty, mature content will be visible throughout Behance. And that's it, you've successfully adjusted your mature content settings on Behance. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.